Getting some barbecue at what is apparently the best barbecue you can get in at least Oklahoma. So we'll see how good it is. But Joe Bob sounds pretty good. Came into Trek because my lower bolt snapped on my rear suspension, and they're getting me fixed up. We're walking around downtown Oklahoma City. These massive skyscrapers behind us. It's crazy, dude. It's absolutely crazy. Botanical gardens over there. Time to check it out.
Look, that building is all turned up on the top there.
Oh, there's the Sheridan. Isn't that the one that has one of the entrances to that closed art exhibit?
Yeah, the thing we can't do.
I'm sure this is a lot cooler when there's water in it. The Myriad Botanical Gardens. Ooh, look at all the pretty flowers that are not here.
Corey Vervain.
Skullcap, butterfly weed. This is cool. Not as cool as if it was like springtime. Everything's empty and dead. Yep, it's Oklahoma. I have the Botanical Gardens across the street from where the Oklahoma City Thunder play. There's a doggy with a leash on, but he's off leash technically. Oh, look at him go! Look at him go! He's a dog at large. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Go down there and look at the water. Exciting.
It's watery.
The green water.
Snatch that dog while he's not looking.
Let's go to the top. Let's go in the elevator and go to the top of that building. Damn, there's windows that are busted out up there.
That was that, it's more like an old tower building on the top of busted. It's weird.
I wonder if it was like a hailstorm or something.
Yeah, that one behind that Walker building.
Oh wow, that's creepy. That's pretty neat looking. Hopefully the audio doesn't completely suck. It will, but
You just do a little voiceover.
it's so windy. Holy shit. There's some plants that aren't dead. Wow. Lenten rose, Japanese maple,
Everything was dead right now.
planting in dry shade. Yeah. Ooh, there's a merry-go-round. Or a carousel. I swear to God, I'll never get a carousel right the first time I say it. It's like when we were
Technically, it is a merry-go-round.
when we were at the zoo and I called it a Ferris wheel.
A Ferris wheel. Babe, look at that fat little squirrel right there.
Where?
Picture. Oh, he's so cute.
Fatty. Big old fat boy.
You can take him home. That pressed tortoise.
It's a drink. The First National Building of Oklahoma City. Fancy statue. Oklahoma City, so much to see and so much to do. It's like walking through a fucking ghost town. The BYOP, bring your own ping for the pong. Still just walking around. Everything we want to do is pretty much closed. So, you know, super exciting, super fun. Yeah, we're getting fancy with it now. is like the Chanel of fucking candy stores. Yeah, I'll do that. Chocolate raspberry. We are out here at the 45th Infantry Division Museum in Oklahoma City. While we're passing through Oklahoma, want to check out some of the cool museums in the area. Check out some jets. I like how everything you see is like, oh, let's tow that. Oh, let's tow that. I have an F-150, Lauren. It's not gonna tow all this shit.
Real quick. I'm sure they'd still work with a little tow.
She doesn't quite understand how towing works.
Large vehicles back there.
I wonder if this one was compensating for something.
That one's cool again.
Howitzer. The atomic dog. That's a big motherfucker. Heavy howitzer.
I'm like, well, let's just go for a ride in our little tank.
Well, you want to be able to transport people too. Cargo trucks, always the most exciting part of the military.
An extremely important part.
That's what everyone dreams of driving when they're joining the military.
Medium wrecker. Still in service.
Oh, do you think you could tow things with that
Oh,
long?
hell yeah, you can. Carry so much cargo.
You got a little tiny gun. Choo 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 choo.
It's not a very fun design. Still carrier. It's just like a trailer.
Yeah, it's just like
Just if you would have a sign.
little storage container. Little portable office or something. Oh, bricks.
Wow, dump truck.
Oh, this is apparently a dump truck. Now that's a missile.
Honest John, that's a terrible name.
That's a bunker buster right there. Ernest Childers. Remember the girl who's waiting for you. Alarm will sound if you touch. This is a cool exhibit.
In the span of like 4 or 5 years, it's like 40. It's really
You can look at yourself in Hitler's mirror. I look like a good American. Nazi insignias. Bunch of Tojos. Hitler's napkins.
What? There's napkins?
Yeah, they have
Oh my god.
embroidered towels.
Lord. Where's China?
That's a dope machine gun though.
Oh yeah. This tablecloth? Good lord.
Yeah, they really ransacked his kitchen.
Yeah, they took all his stuff.
I mean, good on them. The couch where Eva Braun and Hitler killed themselves. What a good couch. The Supporting Forces Hall. Ooh. The Army Medical Service. That's crazy. An OG rotary engine. Old school. Aircraft seat. Ejection seat. Old aviator equipment. Little bomb site. Oh yeah. That's cool. Imagine flying a plane like that.
Actually looks like a very comfortable.
We have no shortage of cool vehicles. Oh wow. That's crazy looking. Old can of Coca-Cola. The military police. Jasper Baker's Jeep. Quartertown Willie. So that's the holding line. Wow. That's insane. Bunch of mortars and mounted machine guns. That's it. Some more recon radios. have swords that look like that from my grandfather. The original Jeep. The Hall of the 45th Infantry Division Commanders. Some little miniature models. Jack Montgomery. Some bazookas. Operation Iraqi Freedom. The diagram of an RPG. So yeah, that's a tour of the 45th Division Infantry Museum. It's pretty cool to walk through the history of war and everything else that our country's been through. Spotted a wild armadillo. Hey, come here. He's trying to hide from us though. Whoop.